Yeah. Okay, ready. Look at me, come on. So I'm going to give my iguanas some food, a variety of different stuff. They should be pretty hungry. They're going to go mad for the food. Let's see. Look at this guy. Let's see if they're going to come up and sit on me. I'm pretty sure they will.
Pero te pueden arañar.
Come on. Come on, get up, get up, get up. You're going to get up. Okay, pan out so you can see me and the iguanas. Yeah. Hello. Go back a bit, go back a bit. They're scared, I think. Stand back there. Keep filming. Ooh.
They climbed up.
Yeah, they climbed up. Let's see if the kitty wants to sit. Come on, kitty. You don't get it.
They wanted all the food.
He wants all the food. So they eat. This is like spinach. The
Espinaca.
yeah, but the root. I guess no, not the root, but the stems. And I was quite surprised, but they actually eat this. They destroy it. So I've got to think it's good for them. And it's stuff that we would throw out. So yeah. This is the big guy. He's the bravest, the macho. Still a little bit scared. These like the outer cabbage leaves, I think, or the outer leaves of something that they throw away anyway, but they're pretty nutritious. They started eating a lot. Just this last year, they kind of doubled the amount they eat, and they're growing bigger. I've had them for about, it's eating my, you see that? It was eating my jumper. I thought it was a leaf. Did you film that? Okay, good.
I think.
Alright. And they eat the stems, you know. They just like, are you not filming? No. Okay. Yeah, let's go.
I am.
Oh, you're still filming? Yeah, well we should go and you gotta eat lunch. Football practice is soon. Yeah. No, not toca, no. Don't touch them. Alright, we should go in now. I don't want her to get too comfortable.
Okay.